How are your studies going on?
I'm good. Preparing for
Good.
exams.
And okay. How are you feeling in your first Viva?
A bit nervous.
Nervous? Why?
First time Ona, that's why.
Everything happens first time in our life. So start from first and give your best. Okay. Don't be nervous. Okay. You have chosen COVID-19, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then can you explain me what is COVID-19?
Ma'am, medically it is known as SARS-CoV-2, and these are zoonotic viruses which are transmitted between animals and humans. And it was transmitted from civet cats and dromedary camels, and it causes Middle East respiratory syndrome, and that's it. And methods to prevent are regular hand washing using sanitizers, masks, and that's it. Hello.
Is that good enough, Saroj ma'am?
What is the most drastic? Yes.
Ma'am, you are not audible. Hello.
Okay, I'm
Hello.
repeating my question again. Please tell me what harm. Hello, is this audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
please. Put the question.
Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ तो Devanshi, please tell me what is the drastic impact of COVID-19 on India's economy?
And the GDP shrank the most at about 23.9%, and many sectors were also affected deeply, and lifestyle of people has also changed very much.
Okay. Any positive side?
पॉजिटिव तो पीपल अपनी हेल्थ का ज़्यादा ध्यान रखने लग गए हैं, जो कि बहुत अच्छी बात है। पहले तो हम यूँ ही घूमने लेते थे इधर उधर, अब तो ध्यान
Okay.
रखना पड़ता है।
Good.
हाँ. Okay. Good. Yes.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Saroj ma'am. Now I would like to move on with Abhilasha ma'am to continue with the questions of hers. Yes, Abhilasha ma'am, please.
Hello, Divyanshi.
Hello, ma'am. How are you?
How are you? I'm good. How are you?
I'm also good.
First of all, don't be nervous, please. Okay. In your resume, you have written, I am good looking. So, how do you describe yourself when you say you are good looking?
Ma'am, I think I'm good looking because of my looks and my personality. I'm maintaining myself, so I think I'm good looking. As per my perspective.
Okay. And in your presentation, you have talked about repo rate. What is repo rate?
Ma'am, the rate at which RBI give loans, the interest rate we say, no? That I think.
Only RBI?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Will you please elaborate it?
Ma'am, what repo rate?
Repo rate, yes.
Ma'am, the interest rate I'm saying, na, at which the RBI gives loan to people for their work or other purposes.
Loan to people or banks?
Sorry, banks. Sorry. I've,
Which type of banks?
banks.
Which type of banks? There are different types of banks.
I don't know. But
Okay, repo rate is like it is the central bank. ठीक है? Central bank gives loans to the commercial banks. Okay. जब शॉर्टफॉल्स हो रहा होता है, फंड्स कम हो रहे होते हैं, तो जब आरबीआई कमर्शियल बैंक्स को लोन्स देती है, दैट इज रेपो रेट. ओके ओके, दैट्स इट सर, क्वाइट एनफ.
Yes, Nirushri ma'am, I
Sir.
would like to ask you to please give the ask the question, please. Unmute yourself, Nirushri ma'am, first. Ma'am, unmute yourself, please.
Ma'am, you are not audible.
Good afternoon, Devanshi. How are you?
Good afternoon, ma'am. I'm
Chalo,
good.
first thing I do agree with you that you are good looking. ठीक है? But how do you think it is your strength?
Ma'am, it is my strength because as per my looks, I think कि I can मतलब क्या कह सकते हैं अपन लोग?
एकदम पॉजिटिव सेंस में बोलो. You are correct. कुछ there is something positive if we talk about being मतलब feeling that you are good looking. That is most important, है ना? तो इससे ऐसी क्या चीज है जो अपने को strength देती है?
Ma'am, will you please repeat? You are not audible properly.
Acha, I am asking, my question is that you're totally correct. If you feel you are beautiful, you're good looking, it is very good. Okay. But can you just tell me how can it be considered your strength?
My strength.
Yes.
So, ma'am, I think कि being good looking, I can मतलब properly. I'm not able to explain properly. Hello.
Yes, Devanshi, I can hear you speak.
Ma'am, actually, I'm not able to explain properly. I'm not getting the words right now.
It is simple. It gives you confidence. Just feeling that I am looking good will give you a little bit of confidence. That is it. ठीक है? Chalo, moving on to the next question. See, your topic was, I suppose, COVID-19, है ना? इसमें you said कि GDP जो है बहुत ज़्यादा अपना deteriorate हो गया है because of because of basically COVID-19, है ना? तो क्या सिर्फ अकेले COVID-19 के कारण ही अपना GDP जो है वो इतना कम हुआ है, या और भी कोई रीजंस है उसके पीछे?
Ma'am, you're talking about this particular period of this year
हाँ,
or
दिस पीरियड ओनली, दिस पीरियड कि अपना जो जीडीपी है इंडिया का वो बहुत ज्यादा इस डाउनफॉल हो गया है. So is COVID-19 the only reason according to you, or you think कि और कोई added on चीजें और थी?
मैम मेनली तो इस साल कोविड-19 की वजह से ही श्रैंक हुआ है अकॉर्डिंग टू मी. एंड
अच्छा, तो ऐसे ही तो अपनी कंट्री का इतना ज्यादा कम क्यों हुआ है एज कंपेयर टू दी अदर कंट्रीज?
मैम क्योंकि हमारा सडन लॉकडाउन हो गया था. सिर्फ इट वाज अनाउंस्ड एट नाइट एंड फ्रॉम नेक्स्ट डे इट वाज स्टार्टेड. सो
ओके देवांशी,
वाज स्टीप डिक्लाइन.
Sir, this is it for me. Okay, ma'am, thank you. Thank you for the thing. Now, there's a question I would like to ask you. That is, you have used Fitch ratings, FITCH, Fitch ratings when you were describing your presentation. What is Fitch ratings? I just want to know that.
Sir, it is a Fitch rating is an agency that rates the investment done by the companies and
Where it is, what are the headquarters of Fitch ratings?
I don't know.
It is in New York, all right? Whenever we are trying to do something, because they are all private agencies and they are rating, is one of the 3 topmost rating agencies. and it is situated in New York. All right. It is situated in New York. Okay. That was nice from you, Devanshi. It is over here. I would like to end with you. Great work. Now we are going to go to the next student. So this Viva ends over here. Thank you to all the students.
Thank you, teachers.